Did you know that Queen Cleopatra, known for her mesmerizing beauty, used coconut oil on her skin along with camphor to make it glow? Well, doesn't that mean you don't actually have to shed a lot of money to get skin as smooth as that of, why not Cleopatra herself? First, good skin indicates good health. If you follow a poor diet, do not exercise, lead a stressful routine, or expose yourself to sun and pollution, chances are that you do not have the skin that you can be very proud of. Here I would like to share with you a few effective home remedies for glowing skin. 1. A paste of milk, papaya, and egg yolk can be applied to your face. Doing this regularly will give your skin a natural glow by nourishing it from within. 2. Make a mixture of Fuller's Earth with curd and apply to your face. It not only moisturizes your face, thanks to the curd, but also acts as an extraordinary cleanser. 3. You could make a healthy cocktail for yourself with apple, watermelon, carrot, and lemon. Drinking this regularly will give you a clear, smooth, and glowing complexion. 4. Make a natural scrub using oats, yogurt, honey, and powdered nuts, preferably almonds. This gives an instant shine and glows to your face. 5. Like Cleopatra, you too can make your skin glow by using coconut oil with regular salt, as it acts as a good skin tone. I am sure following these home remedies for glowing skin would give you brilliant results within a few weeks. And most importantly, do not forget to subscribe to our channel, DocOnline, to be updated on how to be naturally healthy and not consume medications.